Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to read deleted WhatsApp messages without installing any app. Yes, it actually works in a few different ways, and I'll walk you through them clearly. So the first method uses the built-in notification log on Android. This only works if your phone supports notification history and if you received the message before it was deleted. Just open your phone settings, go down to the notifications section, and look for notification history or apps and notifications depending on your device. Open WhatsApp inside that menu and make sure notifications are turned on. Once this is enabled, any message that hits your notification bar will stay stored inside the notification log, even if the sender deletes it later. Just open the notification history and you'll see the original message text. The second method is restoring deleted chats using WhatsApp Backup. This only works if your backup was created before the message was deleted. Just open WhatsApp, go into Settings, Chats, and then Chat Backup to check the last backup date. If the backup happened before the deleted message, you're good. Uninstall WhatsApp, reinstall it from the Play Store or App Store, verify your number, and when it asks if you want to restore your backup, tap Restore. Once the restore finishes, your deleted messages will reappear because they were still in the older backup. The third method works on WhatsApp Web using the Inspect Element trick. Open web.whatsapp.com on your browser and scan the QR code with your phone. Open the chat where the message was deleted, right-click anywhere and choose Inspect. This opens the developer tools. Press Ctrl F and search for words like deleted or even part of the original message if you remember it. Sometimes the deleted message still exists in the HTML code and you can read it directly there. It doesn't always work, but when it does, it's surprisingly effective. And that's it. 3 legit ways to see deleted WhatsApp messages without installing any third-party app. If this helped you out, make sure to give the video a like, drop a comment if you want more tricks like this, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.